Well, let me understand this. Are you trying to tell me that in 2026, while others are removing their floor tiles, you are planning that dream house of yours to put the floor tiles in it? Are you not aware that there are newer, smoother, more modern alternatives that exist? Quite honestly, modern premium luxury homes, hotels, hospitals, showrooms are quietly abandoning floor tiles completely. Just one seamless, beautiful, premium, heavenly, P square legend level surface. This is epoxy flooring, and by the end of this video, prepare to break up or chike on that your relationship with floor tiles and fall in love with epoxy flooring. Get it, chike? Woo! Epoxy is a special resin coating that hardens into a smooth, strong, glossy surface. Unlike traditional floor tiles that are installed piece by piece, epoxy creates one continuous, smooth surface. That clean, futuristic, smooth surface you see on modern luxury spaces. It's not tiles, it's epoxy. From garages to hotels, restaurants to showrooms and luxury homes, epoxy is becoming one of the biggest interior decoration design trends in the world. It is water resistant, it is slip resistant, even when there is water on it. That's why they use it in sports courts like basketball courts. It is scratch resistant, it can withstand pressure, it is stain resistant, it's chemical resistant, and when properly done, can last between 20 to 50 years. What more do you want? Don't get me wrong, tiles are popular, but they come with several problems that many people that own a house with tiles already know. Broken edges, cracked tiles, water slipping through the cracks, and those loose tiles that when you walk on them, it makes boko 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 sound. Nobody changes that thing. In my house, I still have one that does boko boko. What's more, if I go to the market and say, give me a tile, let me replace it, they tell me that particular design is no longer in the market. But the straw that broke the camel's back for me is those dirty grout lines. No matter how much you mop them, they always look dirty. In many countries, including Nigeria, it's becoming really expensive to import good floor tiles, install them in your house, and those dirty grout lines will come and spoil the thing because months after you finish them, they're already looking dirty. What's months? Weeks, even days. In fact, from the first time you mop them, they stop looking premium. And the more you mop them, the more those grout lines look dirtier. It looks like it's never clean enough for you to lie down on it. And in fact, in Africa, we like lying down or sitting down on the floor. In fact, that's the simple reason why premium homes install bigger floor tiles to reduce the number of grout lines they have on it. This is where epoxy flooring slides in with that smooth finish, no grout line, no dirty corners. Everything is one simple, cool, smooth surface. It comes in several colors and several, in fact, the designs are limited by your imagination and the craftiness of the installer. For minimalists and modern architecture designers, epoxy is becoming a dream material. Don't get me wrong, epoxy is not perfect. Like every building and finishing, your material and installation matters. While many epoxy coat paint makers market it as a simple do-it-yourself procedure to install, you are better off finding a technician that knows the A to Z of epoxy coat before you install it. Poor surface preparation can lead to peeling, cheap materials can yellow over time, and thin epoxy layer can sustain deep scratch that becomes harder to repair, which when you compare to floor tiles, you can just break off one tile and go and repair it. So which should you choose, tiles or epoxy? If you want the common traditional finish, easy tile replacement and something most artisans already know how to do, go with the floor tiles. But if you want modern luxury aesthetic, seamless flooring, waterproof surface, futuristic interior, and clean visuals that exudes of creativity, then go with epoxy flooring and you'll be in a level apart from others. For sure, epoxy flooring is the future, and quite honestly, once you walk into any apartment that has good epoxy flooring there with good creativity, you will immediately feel that floor tiles are now outdated. So would you replace your floor tiles with epoxy flooring? Tell me about it. Tell me about it in your country. I hear epoxy coating is common in West Africa and East Africa countries, even in Kenya. Yes, I watch videos of people in Kenya doing epoxy flooring in their houses. So tell me which country you're watching from. And if you enjoyed this video on epoxy flooring, luxury interior design, and building techniques, like, subscribe, and share to somebody who you know likes good thing. Until I come your way next time, bye for now.